nation. Oh fatherland, this be our solemn pledge. Defending thee shall be our dedication. Spilling our blood we count a privilege. The waving standard which emboldens the free shall always be a flag of liberty. We shall emerge triumphant from this ordeal, and through the crucible unscathed we'll pass. When we are poised, the wounds of battle to heal, we shall remember those who died in mass. Then shall our trumpets peal the glorious song of victory. We scarred our minds around. Oh God, protect us from the hidden pitfall. Guide all our movement lest we go astray. Give us the strength to hear the humanist call, to give and not to count their cost each day. Bless those who rule to serve with resolute to make this climb a land of righteousness.
Long live up your mama as one more class, man. We are the Arabs. Umuchinaka. Yama.
Biafra in London, Biafra in Germany, Biafra everywhere. Biafra in Russia, Biafra in Malaysia. Everybody likes it. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. But somebody said to all the idolists, respect the leader of indigenous people. Nobody can stop Biafra. I say it, nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra, because Biafra is strong. You can kill the leader of Biafra. You can kill the people of Biafra, but never, never change their decision. Every time I play this Babylon, I wish me every day. Every time I sing this Babylon, I wish me every day. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra, because Biafra is strong. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra, because Biafra is strong.
They say good and evil are we chose.
Biafra in bedroom, Biafra in bathroom, Biafra everywhere. Biafra in jail, Biafra in church. Everybody likes it. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra, because because Biafra is strong. I told you, nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Obama. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Britain. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra because Biafra is strong.
Yes, and once again, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscientious people wherever you are all over the world, this is Radio Biafra Extra. Radio Biafra Extra. It's not Radio Biafra. It's not Radio Biafra London. It's not Radio Biafra Uchemefo. It's not Radio Biafra Iluanya. It's not Radio Biafra Umiomio. It's not Radio Biafra Wazulike. It's not Radio Biafra Asari Dokubo Ateke. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are, of course, at this very moment, streaming live through Radio Biafra Human Rights Radio. Biafra Human Rights Radio. Biafra Human Rights Radio is being anchored by the man who had assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. I always tell us before now that not everybody will understand the mindset behind those words. But one day you shall. One day you shall. These are knowledge that are too much for you to handle. One day you shall. Radio Biafra Human Rights Radio is being anchored by Mazi Uche Okafo Mefo, who is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State, and of course Anambra State is Biafra land. Every piece of land in Anambra State. I am George Onyibe. George Onyibe is from Albo. Albo is in Delta State. And I can assure you tonight that every piece of land in Delta State is Biafra land. I am the leader of Biafra Watchmen, group of men of God praying for total emancipation of the Biafran people. And by the special grace of Chukwukike Abiyama, with every degree of certainty, we are reaching you across the globe on this very faithful day, the 4th day of the month of January, the year of Chukwukike Abiyama 2021. A lot have been said, a lot need to be said. A lot have been done and more has not been done. But we have found ourselves in a position where we really need to redefine our position before the global community in order for us to ensure that what we went through, what our fathers has gone through, that the next generation of Biafrans will not go through there. Who am I to begin to proceed without acknowledging the Creator? Chukwukike Abiyama. The one who made the heavens and the earth. The one who is our wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. The one who is our guide, the matter both great and small. The very primordial influence that drives us in everything we do. And as always I say to him, Anina jage mau makanezuku ne maramae ihunanya nenage obiamage o juru anyanya dadio inwege mbangu odi onye dekage ebu afa n'omega anini na sina nende mau onye dekage onye dekadadim Chineke odonye n'iru gị o, anọ m n'iru gị o, agbawala maka onye na-eme mma, agbawala maka ọ dị m egbo Juda o, agbawala maka na anọ m n'iru gị o. Ede agbanwe agbanwe Chineke, ede agbanwe agbanwe obenigwe, ede agbanwe agbanwe anya n'elu ụwa, ede agbanwe agbanwe n'eluigwe n'elu ụwa, ede agbanwe agbanwe n'eluigwe n'elu ụwa, ede agbanwe agbanwe. You see. And of course, like I said earlier, we are trying to make sure we correct a lot of issues. I understand that those of you on Facebook, you are, rather those of you on our app, you are getting it light and direct. And if for any reason you are not getting it, be free to make sure you talk to me via my Facebook, Justice Mariri, aka George Onibe. And then I have shared this video through another Facebook page. For some issue, I will correct this very problem as time goes on. I will do that. And so when you receive the notification, go ahead. Most of you don't know it's George Onibe, but somewhere along the line we will correct this issue. That having been said, most of you have been online for over 2 hours trying to anchor or come into this program, all to no avail. Believe me, this is not because saboteur has done their job, because it looks to me like saboteurs are the real freedom fighters now. Saboteurs look like to me as if they are the true freedom fighter. No saboteur interfere. They were one of two things we need to improvise. We keep working on it until it becomes perfect. And then I say once again, you are welcome. At least I am confident that as we are speaking at this moment, I'm able to record all my broadcasts on different platforms. I want it to be complete. We are not the people who tell you in the morning that Ambazonia Security Force, donate money. In the evening they will delete it. Go and look at your security defendant in Ambazonia. And they say, kill Onibe. How many of our people? How long do you think you will do this? My intention this evening is to ensure that we look at a certain issue. And though if you are on Facebook, you will see the title of my broadcast this evening, which is actually meant to direct us to understand the need why we must remain focused on the main issue and not be distracted. We are to remain focused and not be distracted. Why must we remain focused? Because we do not wrestle against flesh and blood. We do not wrestle against Yoruba, Hausa, and Fulani. We do not wrestle with the real saboteur. The real saboteur now, the one claiming to be freedom fighter. You have no idea. Biafra. You have no idea. And so everybody must remain focused. Those of you on Facebook, please share it and let them come and insult me. Ndiara. And of course I must apologize to our deputy, because actually Radio Biafra or Biafra Human Rights Radio is a reconciliation platform. You see, we don't curse people. Not because some people are not supposed to be cursed. Because objective, Stantomanta and Urigimanta, we must focus on it. And so I humble myself and I truly apologize. There are a lot of issues we need to discuss, ranging from blackmail Who are you to blackmail George Onyibe? Who are you? The only VIP treatment I have received in IPOB is Nnamdi Kanu sending taxi to come and carry me from Port Harcourt to Arochukwu, 2 different shrines to give me juju to swear. God punish all of you. The only VIP treatment I have received as a freedom fighter is to get a taxi that picked me from Port Harcourt to 2 different shrines in Arochukwu. And after giving us the shrine, they changed the oath. We will talk about Shabbat. You are going to Igwe Kala. Your sin will not be covered. You sent Ojo to me and threatened me. I will kill you. I will do. God punish you. But you people are not the reason why I'm on air. But our father made their mistakes. Our father made their mistakes. Today, Kwere man will tell you I'm not Igbo man. Do anything, they will tell you they are not Igbo man. Have you wondered, have you ever asked yourself, why would it be that? I am George Onyema Onyibe. And then most of my viewers, hey, we are not Igbo. What really happened? We ignore those issues so we can move on. And then the children of these people who are not part of us, who have been infused among us, they still continue with the evil. And then somebody says, hey, do you know who is saboteur? We will push you to the extent that you will glorify saboteurs after our time. Like I said, this is Radio Biafra Extra, not Radio Biafra International, not Radio Biafra London, not Radio Biafra 24. This is Radio Biafra Extra. And of course, it's a privilege we are streaming live through Biafra Human Rights Radio, being anchored by the man who said, I will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. How many of our people are we going to kill, to destroy, to get to the promised land? You people are making money. When we tell you, oh, this thing is not what we bargained for, we put our blood in this thing. Yes, this is George Onyibe, the original saboteur. Once and for all. We are not in a hurry. I am the leader of Biafran watchmen. We go nowhere, we die here. You will understand that we are your destiny and we are your doom, except to repent. Come and threaten. We will kill you. If you are a Biafran and you are listening to me wherever you are across the globe, go back and check the record of Biafran social media for the past 3 months. You are the one killing yourself. If you don't know, kill them. It is Biafra saboteur hunting. Mazemefo, forgive me, I have to use those words. Go as a Biafran, whether you are genuine or you are fake, go back and check our record for the past 3 months. People who are supposed to be held in high esteem have gone paranoid. Okokosibe washoro. You come in the open, there are better people and some misguided fella, abo people. They have been contracted to blackmail me. You go and ask those people who are condemning me from Delta State on the social media platform. You see, they've not brought one of their village person into IPB. I brought all of them in. And then some Igbo people are in boss threatening me. We will kill you. You know only one Igbo. You know only one Aliono. Only Rogodo can wo. Ibia yeti yeka. Maria nyashi. And yeti yeka nyebuche ebere. Onya ke wo. Ebi no bia kari agwani. Yamani nye hopo. Nanyi bia naja data wejishe nyi kpatu makasa enyi jade kurumu nanyi hundigbo wejishe nyi kpatu makasa enyi pu haze bele chani ni yelere manu yamani unyenye wo ifere ime imu eto negi eto irapu ade dume koku. May I tell you, or remind you that as far as IPOB concerned, I was one of the highest, longest serving principal officer. At the same time, I handled almost 8 positions without knowing cabals, that gang of idiots called DOS, without knowing any of them. Chinasa is arranging all of you to kill all of you. And then you are still telling me, oh God, you will upset the balance. You think we put our blood in this thing to please anybody? Chinasa Nworu become the ultimate evil, the undoing of IPOB. You better make sure as I'm talking now, you track me to my location. He says, hey, come and tell her we want to hear the truth. You are not ready for the truth. If Chinasa Nworu can come out and say they have to close down the IPOB embassy in Germany because of Nayanya Antoni's Rumike, you will be ashamed of yourself. If I die now, I do not regret it. But I have put facilities in place to make sure that everything I want to say from now to the end of my life, people will say it. And so, that is just the beginning. But I can assure you, none of you can stop me. I've been begging you people for almost 4 years. Repent. Let's start from somewhere. But why would you repent? Money is sweet. You are the one calling me saboteur. And now they cannot take me to 2 different shrines outside the paper and others. Who dare are you to judge me morally? Who are you? If it were to be the creator, I tell you once again, I will put his righteousness to the test. Hey, he chopped transmitter money. He chopped transmitter money. We will review transmitter money. We will reveal it. Bright Chimezie is hiding. Others are hiding. And you come here, oh, cool down, back off. Did you know we put our life in this thing? For you to open paint company? For you to mess us up? Anything you want to do and quick. But believe me, our intention is not to rubbish anybody. And that is why this issue must be addressed gradually. It's quite unfortunate. I'm trying to change some things, a lot of things, and I will continue working on it until it is corrected. Forget about the platform we are sharing, the broadcast coming from Radio Biafra Extra. Just follow it and share it to other people. A lot of things has happened. There are issues happening in IPOB. They want to bury it. But then, we have to talk about it. Starting from Josephine Erewa. Josephine Erewa. Hey, Jaji may steal my money. Jaji may steal my money. Your brother Egerton is a thief. You are the one telling her, oh, this is nice. I shall you open left for Toto. I will play all the audio for the world to hear. I could only wonder the kind of children you've given birth to. A woman I look as a mother. You tell Josephine Arewa the year she went to America was not born. You allow Bright Chimezie to mess you up. I still transmit her money, 170,000. And I know they fear. Go and find out my car with the DSS and find out the price of that car. Useless people. Honestly, if I have my way, I have forgiven all of you. Efe, I have forgiven you. Ogala, I have forgiven you. Faith Ogala, I am from the family of Inyese, 2K and Chano. You are my blood. Now look at what they've done you to. 3 children, 3 husbands. And you are talking to me. I will address all of you. But no, tonight I have forgiven you. Who is the next person? Who are Sophia? Don't join them. Oh. Your case is different. Say the truth. Say the truth. The Aruchuku, the juju you people give to me will confront all of you. As a reverend, we were willing to risk everything. Not because we hate Yoruba, Hausa and Fulani. Because the truth remains that this idea of the state, one Nigeria, the state of Nigeria, is not going to favor any of us. we cannot hide this truth. There is this idea from the north that they are born to rule us. And then from the west, somewhere along the line, they have to get the resources from our land, their own percentage, to remain relevant. And then somewhere along the line, we have to betray ourselves to remain relevant. And that is exactly what you are doing. I forgive all of you. But I will clear my name. I will clear my name. There is nothing like anybody. Oh, we are defending our land. You are not defending. Those are Cameroonians, Ambazonians. That is why Tony Zurumiki and the rest of them, oh, we are signing agreement with them. You now bring their picture to deceive us. See. Go back to the drawing board and correct these things. This is not my broadcast. I am live on another Facebook broadcast because I want Facebook to bear testament to this day. I want every social media platform, known or unknown to you, to bear testament this day. Because one day I will answer this call. That is why most of you don't know I am there. And so we are going to continue with the broadcast. Not tomorrow, but next tomorrow. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. On Wednesday, I will come out with what I prepared for today. Because tomorrow, I have to do a lot of work online to correct a lot of issues that need attention. But then I have to keep this down. So you know, it's not Facebook that is disturbing me. Facebook did not disturb me. Zoo did not disturb me. There are a lot of things that need to be upgraded, and I think we've done that. And then I have to talk to one or two persons to enable them know what to do at the end of the day. There is a need for us to understand what is at stake. It's not about us now. It is about the next generation. Other people are secure. And then you are there. All you can do, oh yeah, Saboteur, you. But believe me, when we are done with you, Saboteur will be a glorified name in Biafra land. Because it looks to us now that it looks like the saboteurs, they are the real freedom fighter. Some of you will say, oh, we will kill them. We will kill them. We will kill them. Why will you kill them? Who will you kill? You that is marked out already? And somebody told me the Facebook is not working. And then if Facebook is conspiring, we shall see to it. Because at the end of the day, we go nowhere. We die here. Somebody say Facebook is not working. But believe me, it could still be the same problem. But then I'm still recording it on different platforms, like I said. Still recording it. Just a minute. So whatever the case may be, we go nowhere, we die here. We came out and we saw the need why we must defend our land. We were willing to give or pay any price that will set us free. And then all of a sudden along the road, somebody sold us out. We try to correct you and you tell us, no, you are a saboteur, you are a saboteur. We know the truth already. We know the truth already. So when you are lying to us, I am not in diaspora. I am in Biafra land. We will address issue one after the other until our people will know the truth. The very platform through which I'm reaching you on Facebook is still being managed. But even at this moment, I still fail to agree. That is Facebook. Like I said, there is need for us to remain focused on the issue at hand. There are so many challenges facing us as a people, which must be resolved to enable us get to our promised land. So many. For as far as we can remember, our fathers and their father before them has constantly registered their rejection of the Nigerian state, which eventually led to war, and now will suffer the consequence of divide and rule. Our fathers know this truth. From the day Nigeria was created to this very moment, they reject the concept of one Nigeria. They never agree with one Nigeria. This eventually led to war. War that brought us to our knees and our heels. And now almost all of them are gone. But at the end of the war, a lot of things happened. The instrument of divide and rule was successfully implanted among us. And a pendulum of chaos initiated. And so the more you try to ensure that you stop the chaos, the more it escalates. Today, Ikwiri man will answer Chimda and will tell you, I'm not Igbo. And then we come already and say, hey, Ikwiri is a saboteur. How can you say you are Chimda, you are not Igbo? Hey. Have you found out what led to that? And then I am George Onyibe from Abo. And my town name, my native name is Onyema. And then somebody like me will come and say, oh, I am Ikechukwu, but I'm not a Igbo. Hey, I ain't Igbo, you are a saboteur. You don't have sense. Have you gone back to your bed to find out why did this thing happen? And so when we heard Radio Biafra talking about this truth, we rush out because we know already. We bled for unification of our people. That the Igede man to the Yala man to the Goja man all the way to Mbanon Bisea Ruchuku to Tweke, Otepe, Patani, Ahoda, Efik, Idoma, Ugoja Tinapa, Obobroa, Idala, Anyoma, everywhere in Biafra land that we may see the light. And together in unison, according to Mazi Uchemefo, we will speak with one voice until we are liberated from this evil enclave called Nigeria. We came out. But little did we know. Little did we know. But tonight I tell them the secret of the night is best known to the owl. And you John when you buale. And you're going with Shoku. You know many Kwademe. Kwademe, Neka Hokika Kika Domeme. Our father told us the truth. And now we are here. And we are not going back. We struggle with the evidence of the mistakes of our father. And now in the absence of that, we are creating another one. My focus is on the next generation of Biafrans. You must be true to yourself. You must not let anybody lead you astray. Because somewhere along the line, somewhere, you will understand the reason we are able to risk everything. And I say to those who have died, because you were misled, let God give you peace. Because you came out with genuine intention. Your death will not be in vain. Those who died gallantly, some of you died protecting another person. I remember in a Kempo, in that valley with some of my comrades, before the Nigerian security agents shooting us sporadically. I never believe I will be alive today. So when you are somewhere in diaspora, you are telling When I go swear for you, you go know what you do for yourself. You don't have idea what we did here. And after maybe 40 minutes of shooting, they stopped, and I was in a valley. I touched myself. I thought I was dead. I knew I didn't die. And I'm grateful to God. Not because I'm better than those who died that day. We knew we could die, but yet we went. Somebody got to do that for us. Today you become somebody. The first thing you can do is to destroy all of us. I will not forget the sight of Chidiebere Onwudiwe, a saboteur. How many times have I left my house to tank in Port Harcourt, to Rumudara in Port Harcourt, to see this boy, this small boy. Chidiebere is not my mate, he's a younger person. He bled for this struggle. He gave up everything for this struggle. He's a saboteur. This one, I call his name now, they'll go give him money. Then maybe he will come and say, oh, I am IPOB, if you like, go do and then tell me I cannot talk to you again. Chidiebere Onwudiwe. I was placed under oath not to talk to you. You were the one who projected me in IPOB. And of course, not because I gave you money. Because I stood for the truth. I fought evil and bloody men before your very eyes. And you were marveled that somebody like me is a Biafra. But you are a saboteur today. What of gifted Hamifuna? To mention but a few. All of them are saboteur. The next saboteur now is George Unibe. But after my saboteur, you won't call another Biafran saboteur. I mean you no harm. We came out. When you were not there, we stood for you. Believe me, everything you have done, we will systematically, meticulously, and gradually reveal all of them. But believe me, we are your destiny and we are your doom. I understand anyway that Facebook is blocking this thing. Because from the original source, I have one viewer. And that one viewer is my other platform. But don't worry, I will download it and I will upload it again. And you will hear this audio. But for those of you who are listening through the app or Simple Radio or any other platform, don't worry. We are working on all the platform. Hey, why are you people so wicked? Why? Go back to social media for the past 3 months. Biafrans have succeeded in destroying themselves. Yorubas are good, they are wonderful, we love them, they are my girlfriend, they are but we're not disputing it. Hausas are loving, they are kissing, we're not disputing it. Middle belt are good, it's okay. Now what do you are a saboteur, you can't demonize all of us and walk away. I'm actually not making a message. I'm actually making sure that this night we don't go away like that. Because we are going to continue from next tomorrow. I won't come up on air tomorrow. I need to clear the whole issue. And if next tomorrow we still face the same challenge, you continue. Josephine Arewa, you destroyed your family member because you have money. Agatha, you did it. Agatha, you did that. Agatha, I do not think I will close this broadcast until I play one audio for you, so everybody will see what you have done to people before me. I'm not the first. You fail. Bright Chimeze told you HMF4 is sinful. Bright Chimeze says the one who brought me to IPOB. We will reveal all of them. I have to fight over 700 people in number 11 Timber Street to protect Bright Chimeze, Chidiebere Onwudiwe, and David Njoko. Today you are telling the same people. Let me tell those of you here in Biafra land, don't let anybody deceive you. They will soon call you, hey, I volunteer, go and kill him. You will come, you will die, because you won't live here. You won't, except you didn't see me. Anything you want to do, believe me, our heart is ready. But the reason I tell you don't let them to deceive you is, where is Akwara? When we marched from Abo to Enugu, Akwara wife was stampeded in Asaba and she lost 3 months pregnancy. And then when our women was arrested in Imo, she was with them. Today, only God knows where Akwara is. He is about to a kidnapper. 48 coordinators was removed in IPOB because somebody said, Anambra Buebenam. And no message ichoi bata data. Data bukwe namadi amama. So for almost 4 years, under the weight of humiliation, you broke us down. But must we bend under the weight of humiliation? I say no. Because I say kidnapper. Where is John Chukuma? When our leaders' parents were buried, Chinasa told me that they are going to deal with Onye Buribu and One Bright. That Onye Buribu was asked to do something and Onye Buribu chopped the food. Chinasa Nguru. He is the real El Rufai, Abi El Mustafa. But you don't hear his name. He's not a saboteur. He's the one turning us against ourselves. So you know, I say, is it all he can say? No, this is not all I can say. Because I'm going to play every audio. Release your mercenaries. Or you repent. I want to believe that most people on our Simple Radio or other platform are hearing my voice. And I will leave our WhatsApp line open. So the WhatsApp line already is open. If you can access it, you call. You can curse me, you can say the truth, anyone you want, you are free. I am not biased. I came in here because I heard the truth. I heard the name of Chukwu Kitabiama and I came in. And I will stand by it till the end. The WhatsApp number remains Radio Biafra Extra WhatsApp number, which is 070-815-45642. 070-815 45642. So you are free to call in 070-815-45642. That is our WhatsApp line. And then let me see if I can be able to open one of our direct line. And then those of you on Simple Radio or the app who can actually have access to it are free to call. That direct line is 081 221 529 71. The WhatsApp and the direct line are open. Because from the best of my knowledge, I'm still having some issues. But at least it is better than before. A lot of people are telling me that Facebook is not working. But don't worry, it is going to come in. And so if you are able to come in, if you are listening to me, you are able to call any of these two lines. I repeat again, it's my old previous line. 070-815-45642, which is the WhatsApp line. And then 081-221-52971, which is the direct line. Please, you are free to call in. I'll be back in a minute.
So, worldwide people, they don't they kill us since. Nobody talk about them after the whole killing. They go sweep them under the carpet. These people are shameless, they no get conscience. Maybe in our blood, now you they take the bath. Without our resources, nothing like one Nigeria. These people are shameless, they no get conscience. They don't set confusion among our brothers. They won't kill our leader because he speak the truth. These people are shameless, they no get conscience. No hiding place for them. See their doom for their doorstep. We are blessed folks. We do my blessed no man feel cause worldwide thing.
Nigeria is falling, we are going to sink it out.
With the truth, with the truth.
We coming out right now, from the land of rising sun.
With the truth, with the truth.
It's too late to paradise. Who are these Osiban is too late to paradise. It's too late. Obasanjo is too late to paradise. It's too late. Amechi is too late to paradise. Bazu is too late.
This is special dedication to my friends and my brothers and my sisters and my uncle and my cousins who are here in Biafra land, outside Biafra land, in the world at large. We are Biafrans. If you are one Nigeria, why are they killing us? If you are one Nigeria, why are they raping us? If you are one Nigeria, why are they depriving us? We want to go, we mean we want to go truly. We want to go sincerely. We want to go right now. We want to go. Myself, I want to go. Nnamdi Kanu want to go. Uche Moko want to go. Jojo Ibe want to go. We want to go. Biafrans, they want to go. We are 7 steps ahead. Ahead is who? We are whiter than white. We are whiter than snow. All we need is referendum. Designating, dissedating, trafficking. I was born and raised in the Biafra land. This is my religion. Biafra is my religion. You can think Biafra, speak Biafra, see Biafra. God has signed it. Nobody can join it. Lost day, minus day. Biafra we come. We love you. We love you. We love you. Biafra. Woo! I told you.
Nigeria is falling, we are going to sink it out.
With the truth, with the truth.
We coming out right now, from the land of rising sun.
With the truth, with the truth.
It's too late to paradise. It's too late. Buhari is too late to paradise. Amechi is too late. Osiban is too late to paradise. Obasanjo is too late. Obiano is too late to paradise. It's too late. British government is fire. British government allow us to go. The people of Chukwu won't go. We won't go. Allow us to go. British government is fire. British government allow us to go. We won't go. We won't go. Allow us to go. Allow us to go. Nigeria is falling, we are going to sink it out.
With the truth, with the truth.
Coming out right now, from the land of rising sun.
With the truth, with the truth.
It's too late to paradise. Buhari is too late. Amechi is too late to paradise. It's too late. Osiban is too late to paradise. Obasanjo is too late. Obiano is too late to paradise. Orji Zokan is too late.
Yes, of course, it is too late. It is too late. Nobody could call in because the situation remained the same. But because of time, I will sign off from here. And then I will get back to you next tomorrow until this issue is resolved. We are not in a hurry. We are not in a hurry. Why are you waiting? Biafra must be restored, and the truth must be told. And I sign off from here. And I must remind you, nobody can stop Biafra. Good night, and God bless you. Tomorrow we'll start from where we stop, because I didn't broadcast today. I only create a scenario or preamble to enable you to understand that we don't have issue. We're going nowhere. Biafra Watchmen. Please make sure you download the app, Simple Radio app. Make sure you get a decoder, HD, high definition. You will get Biafra Human Rights Radio there. Make sure you talk to your neighbor. We will publish it. Every link you can get Biafra Human Rights Radio. And of course, follow us on Radio Biafra Extra. So you get the genuine information of what is happening. We thank those who are in prison for being there for us, those who died for dying for us. Whatever you are doing, you are stealing money, you are eating money, you are creating sabotage. We thank you. Anyone you do, we thank you. But in the end, everything that has happened will lead us one way, home. And one day we will tell the story of how we overcome. And I sign off from here, and I remind you, nobody can stop Biafra. Good night, and God bless you.
Long live up your mama ass, one more clap, we are the audiobooks. Momo Chinaka, Yama.
Biafra in London, Biafra in Germany, Biafra in Biafra in Russia, Biafra in Malaysia. Everybody likes it. They try to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. But somebody said to glorify to me, respect the leader of indigenous people. Nobody can stop Biafra, I say. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra, because Biafra is strong. You can judge the leader of Biafra. You can kill the people of Biafra, but never, never change their decision. Every time I pray this about Babylon, I wish me every day. Every time I say this about Babylon, I wish me every day. They tried to kill us many years ago, killing the people of Biafra, destroying the people of Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra, because Biafra is strong. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra. Nobody can stop Biafra, because Biafra is strong.